A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at LVD-Multifold booth. We have with us Mr. Niranjan, Managing Director, LVD-Multifold. Niranjan, we are on day 3. So now you should tell us what sort of people are coming to your booth, what sort of responses you are getting. What is the basic sentiment of people coming to your booth?
Yeah. So first of all, thank you for having us. Uh, it, I see a very encouraging response. The whole theme which resonates presently to the visitors is like they could proudly integrate themselves like this is a made in India product, right? The people were more interested to see like means on what scale this manufacturing facility is. They were more happy to know like means these products are made in India and also cater to the global market, right? I think the advancement into the sheet metal machinery has really been very instrumental in from last 5 years. Um, and strategically, the focus on Indian market and the intent to go strong into this market, this is what we as an LVD has done. We have a pretty high confidence, like means India is going to be one of the biggest market for the metal forming. And with all these initiatives driven in that direction, we are pretty sure. Thus the customer are happy to see the product offered. They are happy to see like means there is definitely nowhere they can feel like means the technology which is available in the best in class is not still there. So it's at their doorstep. They have been produced in India and this is available for them.
And we see live demo and everything. So what is the feedback when you show your customer the real application? Like you have a saying R2 part.
Yeah.
How are they liking the concept, the flow?
Right. So the flow has been very instrumental and has been our, I would say, the signature emblem where the people could connect. And this is something which we had been presenting almost from a decade now and gradually evolved to the another level. So art to part or the complete flow is integral part of LVD. What the customer is interested is like means to see through like how this investment decisions can be made on the throughput or on the novelties of the product. And the product what we are showcasing, like the machine behind me, our panel bender, it's a workhorse, right? The people expect like means the turnaround time should be less, the throughput should be more, the parts coming out should be perfect, it should be the repeatable, right? Consistent. And this is where they were very amazed to see how automation is seamlessly working with the parent machine. So we, among the exhibitions, I think we are the only one showcasing the automation on the panel bender and the connectivity and the movement of the part while it's bending. So there is a constant feeding of the material which increases your throughput, reducing down the idle time. And this is where I think the people really like to see in their investment where they can really come out and contribute to their profitable growth.
Thank you, Niranjan. I will not take much of your time. Ladies and gentlemen, do visit LVD-Multifold booth at hall number 5, hall number
B108.
B108. Do come up with your requirement. You can discuss with Niranjan and all the other people who are there, highly technical. See the live demos. Thanks, Niranjan.
Thank you. Thank you.